Hey artist, today we're gonna take a heart and we're gonna turn it into a lion like this. It's really simple, really fun, and then we're gonna open a present or a gift and add something special to our character. So grab your pencil and paper and let's start drawing. Okay, so to draw this cute Valentine's Day lion, we need to start with a heart shape. So we're gonna start with a heart. Now, hearts are really hard to draw, but we actually need an upside down heart, and those are even harder to draw. So what we're going to do is basically draw a heart, and then we're going to turn our paper, and there you go. You have an upside down heart. Let's draw the lion's eyes right here. And then we're going to draw the lion's nose. We're going to draw a fun oval shape like this. And then the bottom of the lion's mouth, we just need to draw a little curved line here. I'm going to color the nose in a darkish pink purple color. The face is going to be, I should say the mouth is a light pink color. And now we need to draw the head of our lion. We're just going to start, we're going to draw a curved line just like this. And we're going to make that a slightly darker pink than our mouth. Let's add the lion's ears. So the lion's ears are going to be sticking out of the mane. So we need to draw a curved line here and a curved line here. And then we're going to draw an ear on both sides with a little detail or a line inside of that ear. And we're going to make it the same color as the face. Of course, you want to color your character in at the very end. I'm coloring mine in now, but I'm just giving you ideas. But I would wait till the very end to color your character in. Now let's draw the mane. Let's start right here at the top of our character's head. We're going to draw half of the mane on this side. And then the other half. And they do not need to be the same. Nope, don't try and make them exactly the same. And let's make that mane a really nice orange color. I'm just kidding. We'd want to obviously make it green. No way. We want to make it, what do you think? That looks good. Let's go with that. Okay, so just like that, we have the character's face. Now we need to draw the body. Our lion's going to be sitting on its rear end, kind of looking straight forward at us. So we're going to draw what looks like a capital letter B resting on its side, and let's draw some little lines for toes. Let's draw a line here in the middle, and let's add some lines here and here. There's our character's legs. Now we're going to draw the character's body. We're going to start a line here and a line right there. There's the body. Let's go ahead and we're going to color the front paws in the same color as the mouth. And I'm going to make the body the same color as the head. We need to draw the back legs. We're going to see a back foot here with some lines for toes and another back foot on the other side. Just part of it. We just see a little bit of those feet. Another thing I want to add to my character, I'm going to draw these little dots here and little dots here. There's our character's face, mouth, everything. We just need to add a tail. So for the tail, we're just going to add a curved line like so. And follow that same curved line again. And then we need to add a little pom-pom at the end of that tail. And we'll close this off. We're going to make this tail the same color as the body and the pom-pom the same color as the mane. And there you go. You just drew a really cute lion. Hey, now it's time to open a present or a gift and see what our lion is going to get. Okay, let's open this present and see what's inside. And we have, haha, top hat. Nice. Okay, let's add this top hat to our lion. And nice, we're going to just place it on its head just like so. Perfect. And there you go. We have a lion wearing a top hat. Yeah, hey, this would make a great Valentine's Day card for a family member or friend, and then ask them to pick out the hidden heart. See if they can find the hidden heart. Hey, I had a blast drawing with you today. I can't wait to draw with you in the next video. Hey, remember, every drawing tells a story.
Hey, if you like this video, then you'll love Harptooniacs. It's a members-only subscription art site. Learn drawing, cartooning, animation, and digital art. No commercials, safe content, and most of all, fun! Watch Harptooniacs on your tablet or phone, or cast the lessons onto your TV for group drawing. Print activity pages, blank character sheets, and blank comic book pages. And you get to spin your very own interactive picker wheel to change your characters and drawings. And you can try 3 free lessons today when you click on the link in the description below.
Grab your pencil and your paper. And